I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, December 17th, 2008. What a day! What a day! It continues this piling into the euro. It's the most ridiculous thing I have seen, I think, in my Forex career. I have not seen four big figures in euro sterling being touched in one day in my career. Euro sterling, low 89.80, high 93.29. Dogs and cats living together, mass hysteria. The euro continues to get piled into, and the Swiss franc piled into. Again, I'm sorry, my radio record didn't work again. Well, I recorded it and did a great one too. And of course, it's stuck in temporary files. I can't get it out. So you're stuck with this one today. I'm going to do a short broadcast just to give you a little something on radio. But what a day. The euro. There's going to be an unwinding of this euro trade like we've never seen. This euro is such a joke. Again, my comparison is that London has cut rates to 1679 lows. Interest rates have never been this low in London. I'm 99% sure. The U.S., I can't recall the last time we were under 1%. We have jumped into the abyss. And Trichet is sitting up there atop this freaking hill, atop the black hole, with his hands on his waist, stomping his foot, refusing to go in. Well, guess what? He's going to have to go in. And the problem is, by the time he goes in, it's going to be too late. They're going to have a depression. They're going to have riots in the street. Listen, deflation's coming to Europe in a major way. Look what oil did today, and look what the euro's done. Oil has just collapsed in European terms. So inflation could collapse in the Eurozone. Anyway, dollar index, look at my Fibonacci level. I'm calling for a bottom. I'm calling for a top and a bottom in the dollar. This move is ridiculous. This is going to be a wild Thursday. I think we probably touched the 77.88 level, and then that's it, baby. Listen, I don't know how it's going to happen. And German IFO, again, this German IFO number, in my opinion, part of the reason why the euro has been going up so much is yes, the printing of money, yes, the whole Madoff thing, Europeans taking money out of the U.S., but also, okay, it's interest rates and the interest rate differential, and it is a joke because, in my opinion, Trichet is going to have to cut rates. He's going to have to join the club. And I think, again, when you look at this chart, we're heading towards the Fibonacci level. I mean, we said this yesterday. This thing just never looked back last night. Say hello to 146.30. It keeps changing. You figure it out yourself exactly what it is. But if I do it exactly, it's like 146.26, right around there. That's it. And again, with this German IFO number coming out, I think in the last couple of days, the euro's been rallying because of the German zoo. German zoo is analysts. It is not the actual manufacturers. German IFO is. So part of this Europe melt-up is because I think this market, and German IFO, very important number. So like the Bayes book in the U.S., Tonkin a little bit, it gives a broader idea. It's a survey. So should that number be better than expected? I think it's a sell on the news event of perfection. If this euro, after strong German IFO, is up at 146.30, I think you back the truck and take your profit and go short. I don't know if it's going to play out like that. Maybe it doesn't get there. Maybe it comes in 100 pips. There'll be a trade for sure on a sell on the news. Now, in my opinion, the number's not going to be that great. I think the manufacturers are crying like babies. I think that they're not doing so well at all. So in my opinion, this number has the potential to actually be in line. And I think an inline number would be a disappointment. You get a pop on an inline number in the German IFO. Remember, the zoo was like 11 better, like 55 versus 44, I think the estimate. So this is going to be a beautiful sell in the news trade, the euro dollar. Again, look at this move. This is just incredible. Euro sterling, I've never seen this kind of movement. Dollar yen going towards session lows, dollar yen's going towards 80. That's been my price target, if you know. Have I been making money in dollar yen? No, thank you, I have not. But again, any rallies in dollar yen I think should be short. I think we retest, maybe go to 86.50. I mean, we're just in dribble meltdown territory. Death of 1,000 cuts, but we're in meltdown. We're melting down right now. Listen, the Bank of Japan might be cutting rates tomorrow. There is talk about intervention. Thursdays tend to be times when they do it's Thursday night. So if they cut rates, maybe they intervene then. So, but dollar yen looking to me like it's still going lower. Sterling dollar, the news out of London is just horrible, horrible. And the one I want to be short is sterling dollar. London, they would have cut rates more if it wasn't for the pound, they said. Their claim account number was terrible. 74,000, 75,000, terrible. Retail sales tonight, I can't imagine they're going to be good. Euro sterling on a bad retail sales number out of London tops out. Maybe it's up another 150. Listen, we're going up in 200-300 point clips, pip clips. So to think that the euro sterling pair cannot be up 100 going into the retail sales out of London, think again. We are in Momo territory, momentum, Momo. So markets are moving very quickly, and we're just going to keep going up. But again, I think we go lower. By the end of the day, I think we're going to be lower. And again, if you have any questions about any aspect of my programs, feel free to go to globalfxradio.com, and you find out more about my premium services. My trade picks were great, but my trade ideas this morning were horrible. I lost money today. I tried to short the euro. I tried to buy dollar Swiss. I mean, we made money on the downside, but then I just killed it. Euro Canada crushed me. This Euro Canada, it's like my nemesis now. And the next one up is this Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, another one. Anyway, what are we up to? Euro sterling. Again, cable dollar. I mean, to me, it definitely reversed to the downside. You got to look at the hourly chart. It's probably going higher in response to the euro, but I think tonight it probably goes lower before it goes higher. If you take a look at your Fibonacci level here, so we take out this, the 61.8, we take out 55.50, we're probably going higher, if not through that other spike high of 75. So cable could play catch up, but again, I could see us rolling over first, and then maybe going higher as the euro goes higher, but on a euro sterling reversal. But sterling dollar, definitely I'd rather be looking to be going short versus long right now at these levels. And I want to be long the euro. We're long the euro right now with short dollar Canada. It's working out. Euro Canada reversing nicely. Still closing at 171.80, so come on. To the moon, Alice. Euro sterling, flagging to the upside. Yes, we got a beautiful shooting star on the hourly. Under 92.50, it could definitely go lower. I got to tell you, it looks like it's going higher. Higher and higher, baby. Unbelievable. This thing has gone from 83 to 93. 1,000 pips in 3 weeks. Shock and awe. Shock and awe. Let's take a look at the euro yen. Now this one, I'll tell you, the euro yen is the one that's going to be the big trade. That's going to be the end of the year trade where this thing melts down into 09 as the yen rally overpowers this euro retardedness. So looking at the hourly chart, it certainly looks like it's going to pull back and probably be a buy. 124.75. I think probably that's our place we'll cover on this euro yen. That'll be our spot to say thank you very much. But I think we're probably going to grind higher into Christmas. Looks like the stock market. Nice uptrend channel on this euro yen. So I think if this 124.50 holds, this thing looks like a buy. But I think it's gonna roll over a little bit. And again, also you have this other channel here, and that's the 30 exponential. So that's even another spot, 125. I could see it holding. Sterling yen hourly chart. Daily charts look good. Sterling yen looks terrible. Sterling yen is the relative strength loser. That's the one you want to be short. Sterling yen just looks like it's going back down to the lows. I'm done with this thing. I mean, this thing looks like it's going like death, rolling over, flagging to the downside. So triple roll, you want to be short that. If you have any questions about triple roll, email me at info@globalfxradio.com. Premium people got a whole nice little lecture on it last Sunday. Again, looking very weak. I think it's probably rolls over and we retest 134, these lows here, 133.50 tonight. Measure the move on this bounce, 150 pips, 133.50, double bottom. Maybe that'll be it. I don't know, but I think the dollar bottoms out tonight on major Fibonacci moves. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio YouTube, the only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. Oh, baby.